That's our tour guide, Miron.
We all talked about Bangalore traffic, but the real traffic jam out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning, welcome back to another video. Again, I hope you can hear me. And the stash is back. Well, Steffi hates it. But hopefully I should be seeing her soon so that she can tell me in person. But I'm on my skin soon because I have my aero helmet, which means there's a TT happening. So I should be reaching in about 4 minutes. Just finished my warm-up, rode out to the venue, and yeah, it's gonna give it a good go. You know, there's supposed to be a lot more content today because I'm supposed to have the district track selections happening yesterday, but that got postponed. So yeah, this is gonna be the TT today, I guess. I'll see you after the TT. Maybe we'll catch somebody midway. Joel's there. He's racing today. Also in the skin suit, so that's going to be a first. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gasping for air because I think the CT suit is too tight. I think I'm too fat. I don't know. See you when. For you, bro. Podium for you.
Imaad is going.
Let's see. Send it, dude. I think you can. You have a TT bike, you have fucking everything, skin suit.
Aero socks also are there.
Aero socks.
I'm gonna put them on.
Oh yeah.
Helmet is also inside.
Which helmet?
Lee's special.
Oh fuck. Oh, hectic. Full party. I like it. I really like it. I like your camper van.
You start in 5 minutes, dude.
I know.
All warmed up.
I just did my warm up.
So heavy.
Podium, huh?
Like 20 kilos.
Oh.
Lifted it. It's really heavy. Lead, bro, lead.
How to increase bike weight? Get a promise, Madhu.
Get a bike to start. Yeah, sure. Giving. Oh, I'm only giving. No, you should bang it.
What's up?
Bye. Look at this man. What is he doing?
Again, honk.
Which vehicle is this?
So, I'm on my way back home now. Got a lift from Joel. And yeah, just a bad TT today. I don't know why. Everything was like, I felt good on the bike, and usually the power was not the same as I expected it to be. I rode faster on my fixed gear bike, which is the unusual part. So yeah, not so happy with my TT, but it is what it is. Joel won, which is awesome. I mean, he didn't do that great according to him, but he just smoked everybody else, which is still awesome. Now I'm on my way back home. I'm gonna meet the guys for a movie, which I'm obviously gonna record. It's time to die another day. Or one more time to die, I don't know. Bond movie. take the boys for a walk, doubles, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Plat, full plat. Squish, 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 squish. It's actually the first puncture I've had on the rear tire. Good morning. Welcome to another video. My hair's out. Yeah, this is the look that I normally get when I go for an endurance ride with no training in plan. For a change, I'm early because I got late and Madhu is now very late because of me. But we have a nice 100k loop, 100k ride plan, so should be good. Madhu's hanger broke. Most wildest way possible. Don't know how. But he's sitting on a bike and basically towing his bike. Hopefully find an auto rickshaw. Not sure what happened. So, if you... No, I'm not saying that. So, Madhu's gone back. His derailleur hanger broke. So he's sad. I'm kind of glad it broke in a really small, slow moving stretch, you know, not fast. Otherwise that would have been bad. Well, I'm on my way back home now. I think 2 hours in, another 1.5 hours more, 3.5 hour ride. Just short of 4. Pretty happy. 3 more days of these now. Cannot wait. And the weather is amazing. I mean, just look at this guy. It's so good. Quite steep here, but it gets steep ahead. Marco Pantani. What? If you think he can really drive trucks, you're wrong.
We are in the first traffic jam of the night.
That's our tour guide, Miron.
We all talked about Bangalore traffic, but the real traffic jam out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I didn't charge that much.
You're like fully matching with this, you know, the green.
So you
think I
see,
should
we
take
have 10 tires.
10
We are
tires.
full trendy now.
I think I should take a nice picture here so I can get a nice thumbnail.
And we are still clean on our legs and feet, so
Good.